Our next experiment is called the colors of sunrise and sunset. So before going to our experiment, we need to know what is a colloid. Colloids include gels, salts and emulsions. Yes, now we know what is an emulsion, right? So in a colloid, the particles do not settle, cannot be separated out by ordinary filtering or centrifuging like those in a suspension. So a colloid is also a solution, but the particles here do not dissolve, they do not settle, and it is turbid. Colloidal solution is turbid. So the particles do not settle and they do not dissolve. So now, why did I tell you what is a colloid? Because the solution we are going to use for this experiment is milk. Milk is a colloidal solution. So the particles do not settle, they do not get dissolved. So now, what is the color of light from the sun? You would probably say yellow, but that is wrong. Our sun, the sun, gives us light. It is actually white light, and I will do further experiments to show you that white light is composed of many colors. For example, the colors that we can see are the rainbow colors. Yes. What are the colors of the rainbow? You would know Vibgyor, it is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Now coming to our experiment, the colors of sunrise and sunset. I told you our sun gives white light, and white light has all the colors of the rainbow. Have you seen the sky in the morning, that is early morning, or in the evening during sunset? You see an orangish yellow color, right? Have you ever wondered why we see that color only during sunrise and sunset? So this experiment will explain to you why we see only that particular color, and that too only during sunrise and sunset. So are you interested to know why? Let's begin our experiment. For this experiment, it's very simple. You will just need a glass of milk. And what kind of solution is milk? It is a colloidal solution. You will also need white light. Here it's going to represent sunlight. I am using my phone light in this case. So you can use any torch light. You just need white light. Now what we are going to do is we are going to mix some water in the milk, and I am going to mix it with a spoon. So as you know, milk is a colloidal solution. So the particles do not dissolve and do not get settled. The next step is I need to strike my torch in the milk. Here I am striking white light. You can see that the light appears white even in the milk. Now for the next step, you need to switch off the lights. Now when you strike the torch on the side of the glass, you can see there is a change in color. So what color can you see it? It is orangish yellow. This is because the milk particles scatter the light of the torch. So blue light has shorter wavelength and is scattered the most, so we can't see the blue light, while the orange or red light has longer wavelength and it is scattered the least. In the same way, the gas and dust particles in the atmosphere scatter the light of the sun. During sunrise or sunset, the light travels longer and through a thicker layer of atmosphere to reach us. Therefore, most of the blue light is scattered away and only orange or red light reaches us. So now you know the reason why we see this orange or yellow color only during sunrise and sunset. This is because during sunrise and sunset, the sun is at another angle from us. So the blue light gets scattered away and we don't see the blue light. The orange or red is the light with the least wavelength. So it doesn't get scattered. Thus, we see only the orange or yellow color during sunrise and sunset.